In this video, I'll explain why you keep seeing the high demand message on Grok AI and what it actually means. If you tried to use Grok AI and suddenly got blocked with a message saying there is high demand right now, you're not alone. This message simply means that too many users are using Grok AI at the same time. The system has limited capacity, and when it reaches its limit, it temporarily stops accepting new requests. There are a few reasons behind this. First, Grok AI became very popular recently, so traffic spikes a lot. Second, AI models require powerful servers to generate answers, and those resources are not unlimited. So when demand is higher than capacity, the system slows down or blocks access. Now you know exactly why that high demand message appears on Grok AI. If this helped you, don't forget to follow for more quick and simple tech explanations.